guys, welcome back. So this is a nice little job for John at Cross Channel Classics. So we've got a long wheelbase series chassis we've got to do. Looks like a knowing John, it's an Australian import. So it has the telltale signs where little things are burrowed in little pockets and rotted them out, different to where English stuff rots out. Well, English rot stuff rots everywhere. So we're going to turn this around in a quick mode for him. So we're blasting priming and kicking it out the door because John's got a few repairs to do around it. Rear cross member's a bit sad and bits like that. So as you see, we've just got it in. So let's get kitted up and blast it. Right, that's that blasted, and as usual, GoPro overheated, turned off. Just quickly show you before I start to prime it. Got smashed in the face a lot of this mossy stuff where something's been burying in here. So, not bad. Haven't done the rear cross member because it's having a new rear end. Haven't done the transmission hoop either, because that's getting a new one as well. Other than that, there's not a great deal around it that needs doing. So right, just throw you up the top and let's start priming.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the
So in that first prime up, did you see I saved? I've actually got a friend now. Oh, sorry. That's why I haven't got friends, keep smacking him right. So it was a snail. He's gone through all that blasting and he made it. He's done it. So I put him in the sink to... Here he is. He survived all that blasting, and then at the start of all the priming, so I've put him in for a bath and he's having a little kip. So while old Cyril's having a sleep, I'm going to go back, flip the chassis over now, and prime the last side up. And I can load it up, and then Cross Channel Classics are going to come and collect it tonight. We've got their trailer outside at the minute. Oh, I'm not going to see much out of there, it's a bit bright. So let's flip it over, use the old muscles and flip her around. Here we go. So there we go. All back on the trailer and ready to go. So I won't strap this down. I'll leave that for John, whoever's picking it up. Just so you know they're happy with how it's tied on. Pretty good little chassis. Take a look at John's his Facebook. He's got Instagram as well, and he's got a website. You can take a look at his merchandise. He's got some quite cool hoodies. So next week, I've not got a clue. Got to get back on Baz soon. We've got the prop shaft here now to fit, and we want to start looking at fitting the dry sump tank. So I need to do that. It's been too long, so we'll get back on that. Please share, like, subscribe. It's slowly going up. Pretty cool. Other than that, I'll see you next week, guys.
I'm taking it slow.